United States elections, how this will change everything with Bitcoin. Maybe we're going to all-time highs. You want to know everything about that? Then smash the like button. It's time for crypto news, crypto to the max. You have to follow us, all our different shows, because we told you everything about the marketing. We will still tell you everything about it right now. Fighting for the green in the crypto sphere, Bitcoin trying to break the resistance of this moving average. We'll see about that. $43,000. And Crypto Robert telling us that if Bitcoin breaks this support line, we are in trouble. So I just draw the line for you, and we'll see in next videos what's going to happen. You can see that dollar is right now going down a little bit, so maybe we breathe a little bit in the crypto sphere. What do you think about that? In my opinion, we are heading south. Why? Well, remember, I nailed it again. And you can see that we went all the way up to 43,500 in order to fill this gap. And then we are just continuing with the trend as usual. I consider from time to time to do some trading because of the gap. So maybe I will in the future. Ethereum is trying to find support in this line withdrawal. We'll see about that. We'll see if that's possible. Any case, Ethereum is okay if we don't break this millenary line. So we are good with Ethereum, and some bubbles are going crazy up, but mostly what I consider to be kind of scams, so scammy. So be careful out there. I don't like these bubbles. I don't like these projects, and you know about that. But if those are your choice, then it is okay for me. In the last 24 hours, you can see that DYDX did good. I don't know what's going on there. I have to investigate, just go deeper into it. Flare also, another project I don't really like. And you can see the worst ones here: Beam, Bonk, Arbitrum, Ethereum Classic. So you can see the dance in the crypto sphere. And what about the hot pairs today? Number 7, we have Trump. And we are going to tell you everything about Trump today, because today's video is dedicated to elections. And we are going to wonder if we are going to have a new all-time high. You have here this token, you can find in dextools.io. Trump is going up for the last weeks, and maybe because of election time. Be careful out there with these gems, allegedly good ones. Of course, go to dextools.io and reach for more information out there. And we are going to tell you the new narrative, just for a sum up in the last videos, just in case you didn't watch them. We celebrated the approval of the ETF in spot in United States, and we were disappointed because Bitcoin didn't move to the uptrend, to the upside. Then we told you all about how we can compare the ETF for Bitcoin with the ETF for gold. Then we told you about the worst scenario possible there and compare the situation with the futures when we had in December 2017 those futures. Then we told you all about the halving, and today we're going to tell you all about the elections year we are in. So again, here you can see that we might be following this track from the futures. Also, maybe we are following this we told you about in another video. Cohen told us about the cuts in those rates in the Fed in United States and how we might follow this 71 drop. And again, the gold here, are we going to go up 350%? Maybe so. Right now, we are more than 10% that allegedly we were going to have this situation in 63 days, 70 something days, and we just had that in 2 days. So we'll see about that. And the halving also 95 days. And we told you yesterday these different paths that we might be following and how the last 100 days affect the market and Bitcoin. So watch all those videos. Today we dedicate this video to the elections here. Trump indextours.io, going higher, and being the most interesting character of today's crypto news. Remember to smash the like button. Why? Because he said that he is not going to allow CBDCs ever in United States if he is elected president. So you can see that crypto in United States in an presidential year is very hot topic. And as a thing that happened in the past, that Donald Trump is not going to back Bitcoin, he's not going to back cryptocurrencies, but now you can see that he's not backing either the CBDCs. So that may be a good thing. We're going to listen to Donald Trump and how he promised that we will not have a CBDC if he's elected president.
Tonight, I'm also making another promise to protect Americans from government tyranny. As your president, I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency. You know about
that? He wants everybody to remain in control.
New Hampshire, very smart people. Very current. You know what they're doing. Such a currency would give a federal government, our federal government, the absolute control over your money. They could take your money. You wouldn't even know it was gone.
They will take your money.
This would be a dangerous threat to freedom, and I will stop it from coming to tonight.
Dangerous situation, and he's going to stop it. So now even Donald Trump is backing somehow cryptocurrencies. That's a good thing in a day that we have news from Davos, and you know there we have the World Economic Forum, and we see here from Tech with Catalina that they are telling us that they are going to control us. We are going to have money passports, and we will not own our money anymore if these people gets their way. We have to stop that. Also, JP Morgan CEO said that Bitcoin is shit, and he's not going to talk about Bitcoin ever again.
Could we pivot to a topic that and you tell
blockchain is real, it's a technology.
So again, the idea that blockchain is a technology that you should back, but then Bitcoin, the only use cases for Bitcoin are money laundering, terrorism, and also buying and selling drugs, etc., etc. So crazy stuff, in my opinion. They're lying to us, but well, who knows in the future. Any case, Fiat asking here, why does these cryptocurrency people hate us so much? Leave us alone. Of course, this is a joke. This is not Fiat X, but you can see that for the cars now, fiat currencies are not trendy, at least for the crypto wars. So let's go deeper into this presidential election year, and here fun on the right with the charts that you will only find here. And well, we're going to have some fun with TradingView. You have the link in the description below. You can create your own charts. Remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. Any case, here you have with your friend Rodri, fun on the right, the day we're going to have elections. It would be November the 4th, 2024. And here you see the last 3 times. That was 2 November 2020, 7th November 2016, and 5th November 2012. And you can see with those circles that we were in a trend, upside trend, and we keep on going up. In 2012, also in 2016, up, and also in 2020, up, even though we had the COVID pandemic situation. Of course, with some red candles like here or here, of course, here and here. So we can sum up that this variable is telling us that we might go higher because of this. How much? Well, the first time from elections day, we went up like 11,000%. So that would be nice, of course. What about second time? We went up 2,700%. That's awesome too. And the last time we went like 345%. And why does this number ring a bell? Because we told you about 345% here if we follow the path of the approval of the ETF of gold. Coincidence, or this is going to happen once again. And also consider this difference between sending gold versus sending Bitcoin. For sending gold, you need the police, you need some trucks, you need some heavy machinery, and for sending Bitcoin, you just need cell phones. And in just a couple of minutes or a second, if you are using Lightning Network, you are transferring that Bitcoin. So very, very interesting difference in my opinion to consider. Going deeper into this analysis, you can see that if we consider not the day of the elections, but the previous low, the all-time low, you can see the first time we went from the previous low to the new all-time high, like 51,500%. The second time we went up like 10,000%. And the last time we went up like 1,616%, which in my opinion is a very, very good scenario and narrative. And now for free, again, I'm gonna give you this chart. I should charge you some money because of all these nice charts. It's okay. Just use the link in the description below if you want to help me. Thank you. And you can see that the first time it took us like 742 days to go from the all-time low to the all-time high. The second time 840 days from low to high, and the last time just 399 days approximately from the low to the high. And what about the possibilities right now from the bottom we had? Well, if we go like this time, we might go to 277 approximately $1,000, but we might go to close to $1.5 million or even 8 millions for Bitcoin if we do the same thing we did the first time with Bitcoin. Of course, I believe that you can see we are stretching as cycles come, and I think we are going to do something similar to this one. So $200,000 I think is a nice round number for the new all-time high. We'll see about that. And now considering these 294 days we have left for that day approximately, well, we can consider what happened the first time we went up with this bad moment. Here we went up with this bad moment, and the last time we went up with this bad moment. So again, with my magic, just having these ghost candle patterns and putting them all together, you can see that these are the scenarios that we might be following right now. And we might end for the 4th November 2024 between $67,000 and $59,000. I believe, well, it's not the $200,000 that we want, but this might be no for that date, but later, 2025, sometime April, December, something like that, in my opinion. Remember also the halving, and you can see here with this trend that if we follow the green candles, we might be in $50,000 for April 2024. That's 2016 path that I believe is the most likely scenario. But again, leave a comment below. Tell me what's the scenario you believe is most likely. Here again, this 2016 scenario, you can see we are following it really, really close. We have the election date here, and you can see that we might follow to $35,000 and keep on going up. You have to consider that those presidents, they want everybody to believe they're going to do well, and they will create policies that will make stock market and cryptocurrencies go up, allegedly, probably so. They don't want to be elected and have a bad year. In any case, we will tell you everything about that in new crypto news, where we will tell you also in the next show about what happened with Ethereum and other altcoins because of all these narratives. This is not just Bitcoin world. We will tell you about that in tomorrow's crypto news. And also we will tell you about mining and the halving. Allegedly, the miners are selling right now. They need some profit for their operations, and that's why Bitcoin is going down. I can tell you right now that the average cost for production per Bitcoin post-halving will be 37,856 according to CoinShares. So that's another bad narrative we have for the future. The idea that mining is going to be more and more expensive, as miners are not going to have all those rewards because of the Coinbase, because of validating those transactions. In that matter, in the matter of the Coinbase, but maybe with the fees, with ordinals and all that, maybe it would be profitable. So we will talk about this further in new shows. Also, we will have a sum up about the 5 phases of the Bitcoin halving. So watch next videos, and also we will talk about this dinosaur pattern that some guy found out there. The market is greedy. We're still in the 63 today, and I will warn you to be careful trading because we can go up or down. Maybe you believe you are a good trader like this guy, but finally you can see that you are going to end in the floor, and the chart is going to kick you in your balls. So be careful out there if you don't want some pain. I believe it's better to invest in crypto, and maybe the exchange for doing that with this simple plan of buying crypto, holding, and then selling maybe in 2016 would be using CoinW, our partners, our sponsors. Again, if you use the link in the description below, if you register there and do your know your customer, well, you help us. Thank you very much. This is all free for you. And also you're going to have good rewards. Like, remember, we have all these pools where you can have 5 USDT in cash, also future rewards, and also trading rewards. Well, now we have a special promotion, not just that, but now you can have this special New Year's campaign for Fun on the Ride, where we are sharing prices up to 12,000 USDTs. You have since 19 January 2024 to 2 February 2024, and the idea there is that you need to deposit for some of these tokens, and you'll get $15 in these coins. Also, you have a competition. If you are a trader, be careful with that. But if you want to trade and earn some money, I started to want to do that because of the gaps, etc. Well, if you trade with these cryptocurrencies, you are going to make some bonus also till February. So again, go now to the link in the description below. You help us so much. Thank you for your help. And maybe you help yourself also with CoinW. You will see that every day you go inside, you'll have some special promotions to do ETFs or futures or some things like that. Maybe you want to buy some crypto and then send it from CoinW to your Trezor Model 1 or Model T, maybe the Safe 3. The idea today with Trezor, with this cold wallet, is amazing, and is that they have, I will tell you about this in crypto safety section in our website, funontheRide.com. Go to Trezor there, you have a dedicated video. And the thing is that we have a new Trezor Shoot update, and they are going to introduce the wipe code. What's the thing here? Well, instead of your PIN, you have a new PIN. Maybe a hacker wants to have your device. You can stick a PIN in the device, and if you use that PIN, it will erase that device. You won't lose your coins, allegedly, according to this, because you have your words safe in a bank or something like that, or hidden, or maybe it's a multi-sig or whatever. But the idea here is the device will not be useful, so the hacker can't use it anymore. So very interesting future right now that I'm going to investigate more. I will go and do my research, and I will tell you about this in the next video. But I'll leave you some links below in case you want to learn more right now and do your PIN code for these wipes. Also, they have new import addresses for CSVs, which is okay, especially for your portfolio trackers, like, for example, coin tracking, the one that we use. For your tax report, you have this CSV with Treasure right now, which is awesome. And also, remember that we are talking about partners. Remember Rand app. And tomorrow, Friday, you have again this lottery you can't lose. And also use that link you'll find in the description below, or this QR, and you will make 6% with the hybrid mode, and also 2x in your new deposits till February the 29th. So get advantage of that right now. Use the link in the description below. And so you have fun on the right to have more news in the future. Thank you very much. Maybe you are in this mood right now because you expected the market to go higher. Well, do not be desperate, it will rise. Do not feel like this guy, well, I'm trapped here in the warm water, I don't like it. I don't like it either, but we have to be patient and keep on dreaming, because one day Bitcoin will snap like this and our dreams will come true. If you want to keep on learning, go to AI News. We have today a new video about artificial intelligence. So maybe right now you can go there and you have it. Watch them all. You will learn about AI. And if you want to learn more about crypto, maybe watch one of these two videos, and so you keep on learning. Tomorrow, a new crypto news here in Fun on the Right. Health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!